Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel apples. First, select firm, crisp apples such as Granny Smith, as their tartness perfectly balances the sweet caramel. It's crucial to wash and completely dry each apple. Any moisture will prevent the caramel from sticking properly. Next, firmly insert a sturdy wooden stick into the stem end of each apple, pushing it about 2/3 of the way through. This provides a secure handle for dipping and eating. Now let's make the caramel. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with a whisk until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking, stirring frequently, until a candy thermometer reads 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures a soft, chewy caramel that won't be too hard. With your caramel ready, it's time to dip. Hold an apple by its stick and quickly submerge it into the warm caramel, twisting to ensure an even, generous coating. Lift the apple, allowing any excess caramel to drip off, then gently scrape the bottom against the pot's edge to remove any pooling. Place each dipped apple onto a sheet of parchment paper or a silicone mat to cool and set. You can add sprinkles or nuts before it hardens. Once dipped, let your caramel apples set for at least 30 minutes at room temperature or in the refrigerator for quicker hardening. For optimal freshness, store any uneaten caramel apples in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They are a delightful treat for any occasion. Also, for those who love to prepare meals efficiently, check out the link in the description for fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your homemade caramel apples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.